The Environmental Working Group has produced a list of dirty dozens fruits and vegetables for 2024. Strawberries is on top of the list. So since I'm going to do my strawberry smoothie today, I'm just going to show you how I cleanse my strawberries, because we can stop pesticide from come on to our strawberries or our fruits and vegetables, but what we can do is cleanse it so we don't have to consume those pesticides. So guys, this is a quick and easy way of doing this, and we can just practice this at home and keep our fruits and vegetables clean before we consume them. So here I have my strawberries. So whenever you're going to wash your strawberries, you're going to make sure you're going to use it up that day, or at least for the next day. All right. So you just wash at a time when you're ready to eat them. So here I have 2 quarts of cold water, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So now I'm adding the strawberries to the baking soda water. I'm going to soak this for 10 to 12 minutes. And guys, strawberries are very delicate, you know, but we want to make sure we get this pesticide off these strawberries, because they are among the dirty dozens fruits and vegetables. After soaking for 10 to 12 minutes, then you're going to drain the water off and then rinse in some cold water. And there you have it.